you think? Ah! Ah! Oh, it's not scary, but it was kind of scary. Scary. Does that go down a ramp too? Yeah, this one's totally a ramp. Ah! Does that go down a ramp too? Yeah, this one's totally a ramp. Ah! That was awesome. I enjoyed that. Win.
Recording.
Rolling through the block, through the dairy block. Da 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 da. Rolling through the block, rolling through the dairy block. It's totally my discomfort zone. This is pretty cool. Through the block, through the dairy block. Da 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 da. Rolling through the block, rolling through the dairy block. Totally my discomfort zone. This is pretty cool. I don't care. I'm just gonna do illegal stuff today. That was awesome. Knocking that off my to-do list as well. Are you good? Yep. Alright, we got a light here, so we're good. I'm good. It was sorry, the Sena spring retarded, per usual. This is, I don't know what this is, but... looks like a utopia of something. Right? Got motorcycle parking? Like legit motorcycle parking? Do they? Yeah, there's motorcycle parking over there. There's like these really like cool like directory tunnels and stuff over here, but yeah, there's like motorcycle parking over here. It's kind of awesome. That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if it's motorcycle parking, but what else do you use it for? That's right. Apartments? Maybe. Looks like a place that you'd find like in a zombie apocalypse over here. Right? Well, I mean, it's kind of like browsing around. Saw, dude. That was interesting. Don't mind me, it was making a right-hand turn in here. They're just a bunch of hipsters, it's fine. That's exactly what that is. All hipster. Oh, there's a cool little bridge over that way. Huh. It's a utopia. Something. With available parking. Be a good place to park a stolen car over here. Right? Like Grand Theft Auto shit. Hey, look, the Burton truck. What are the odds this would be parked over here? Right, want to get into it and see if there's anything worthwhile? Burton truck. Let's go places. I find it ironic that it's not plastered with like Burton logos. Right, so is it Burton snowboards or is it something else? I don't know. It looks a little too aggressive for the Grom. Yes! The most capable vehicle in the world. And that's the Grom. I don't know why we never got these here. These things are just like so much fun to just go cruise around in.
I know.
But like, you have mentioned some bridge?
Yes, there was a bridge over here, I think. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, well that was what I was looking at.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Alright, well, that was fun.
That was neat.